Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cleaning and drying the stainless surface so nothing interferes with thermal contact. This reduces cold spots that cause sticking. Once the pan is hot and evenly warmed for 2-3 minutes on medium, add 0.5 to 1 teaspoon of high smoke point oil and let it shimmer but not smoke. You are creating a thin lubricating layer and slightly filling microscopic pores, which helps food release. Make sure to heat oil to the right sheen. Too cool and proteins bond. Too hot and oil degrades. You now add food in a single layer so each piece contacts the metal and can form an even crust. Overcrowding drops temperature and invites sticking. Once food hits the surface, resist the urge to move it for the first several minutes. Proteins detach naturally when a proper sear forms. If you see excessive smoking, lower the heat to protect the oil and pan. You can test release by gently nudging with a spatula. When it lifts without tearing, you know the bond has broken. You finish by lifting or deglazing to release remaining bits and complete cooking over moderate heat so interior and crust balance. If something sticks badly, add a splash of liquid like stock or wine, let it sizzle to loosen, then carefully work a thin spatula underneath. This preserves texture while freeing the food. Make sure to cool the pans slightly before cleaning. Immediate gentle scrubbing removes residues without damaging the surface and prevents future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.